Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your mobile data is active and you have enough allowance. This avoids sudden cutoffs. Once done, go directly to Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections, and open Hotspot and Tethering so you don't waste time. Next, choose Mobile Hotspot, set a clear SSID and a WPA2 password so others can't join, and toggle the hotspot on. Doing this first gets the service live. Now you can move to device pairing and optimization. Now you connect other devices. On the client, open Wi-Fi, pick your SSID, and enter the password. Simple. Once a device is connected, configure the access point band. Choose 4 GHz for better range versus 5 GHz for higher speed. Pick what fits your situation. Make sure to limit the maximum number of devices to prevent congestion, enable any built-in data saver to conserve your plan, and routinely check the connected device list so you can revoke unwanted access if needed. To finish, secure and optimize the hotspot so it stays reliable. Change the password periodically and use WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption. If speeds drop, try toggling the hotspot off and on, switch the AP band, or reboot your phone. These quick resets fix most issues. If a client won't connect, forget the network on that device and reconnect with the correct password. This clears cached settings. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Restarting both the phone and the client resolves about 80% of connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.